Hello, I decided to retake the video that I made kasi ang ingay ng aircon. Mas ang haba, ang wordy. So yan, pauwi na ako. It's 12:44 in the morning. And yun, siguro to summarize what I said in the earlier video. Siguro I've been complaining a lot in this documentation that I've been making. So I have to remind myself that I am so lucky to be given this privilege to study the law, to be given parang may enough akong pera, may enough akong sources para mag-aral. Kahit pagod ako, kahit yun ang dami kong ginagawa sa buhay, kahit pa paano, hindi kahit pa paano I am so lucky kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao na ibigyan ng opportunity ng ganito. Ano ba? Also, I'm so lucky na yun, maraming taong sumusuporta sa akin because I never worry about things na paano kung mag-fail ako, baka may magbago din, or even if may mga worries na baka di ako sinusuporta ng mga tao ito. They're always like giving me their full support. My friends, my family, loved ones, they're all giving me encouragement. Kaya siguro motivated din ako So if ever really I get this thing that I've been chasing, the first thing that I will do is thank them. Sometimes kasi we tend to get drunk with our own success. We tend to forget those people na nagtulong sa atin. So if ever I really deserve to get this, the first thing I would do is that I would tell them how much I appreciate them, that this is not only my success but also theirs. Pero medyo malayo pa tayo dun. So right now I still have to keep working hard, keep grinding. So someday I will be able to thank them. Bye, Mamba out. Mahaba pa rin ang video.